Dear students, as we know that the bond is formed due to overlap of orbitals as per the valence bond theory, let us see what are the different types of overlappings we can see in the formation of covalent bond. There are three different types of overlaps we can observe. One is SS overlap, and second one is PP overlap, and the third one is the SP overlap. So what SS overlap means? A overlap of S orbital and another S orbital. And PP overlap means overlap of P orbital and other P orbital. What is SP overlap? Overlap of S orbital and P orbital of other atom. But the condition here is that in overlapping of these orbitals, the orbitals should have electrons in the opposite spin. Let us discuss how these SS, SP and PP overlaps are happening, how they are making a covalent bonds. I am explaining now SS overlap by taking an example of the formation of hydrogen molecule. As we know that hydrogen symbol is H, its atomic number is 1, its configuration is 1s1, has 1 electron in 1s, it needs one more electron to get the stability. So 1 electron in 1s1, that is an unpaired electron in clockwise spin. Whereas if you take another hydrogen, so in that hydrogen atom, the unpaired electron should be in the anti-clockwise direction. So for this is an atom with unpaired electron in clockwise. This is another hydrogen atom with unpaired electron in the anti-clockwise direction. These are only, because these are in opposite, because of they are in opposite spin, they only can overlap. So if both are in same spin, they cannot overlap. So in order to overlap, these two should be in the opposite spin. So they overlap together, and the shared electron pair is aligned along the internuclear axis between the hydrogen to the hydrogen. Once the bond is formed, we cannot say which electron is of which hydrogen. So totally what happened, H2 molecule is formed. This is of hydrogen and this is of hydrogen. So totally HH bond is formed. So that is nothing but H2 molecule. So in hydrogen molecule, we can find the SS overlap. Let us see how PP overlap takes place. For explaining the PP overlap, I have taken an example of formation of chlorine molecule Cl2. So we know the chlorine symbol is Cl. It has 17 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5 is the electronic configuration of the chlorine, and last shell is the third shell. It has 7 electrons, and there are 3 pairs are there. 1 unpaired electron is there. This is in the clockwise direction. And if you take another chlorine, that's atomic number is 17, 1s2, but this electron should be in the anti-clockwise direction. So what this unpaired electron is a p orbital. What the shape of the p orbital? Dumbbell. Therefore this is an unpaired electron in the clockwise direction of a p orbital, which is in a dumbbell in shape, and this is the unpaired electron in the anti-clockwise direction of p orbital of another chlorine. They come close together, they share these electron pair, they overlap. This p orbital is overlap with the p orbital of other, and this overlapping causes the distribution of these electron pairs along the internuclear axis of these chlorine atoms and forms a bond between chlorine and chlorine. As the bond is formed along the internuclear axis, this we can say that a sigma bond. This is also a sigma bond because here is the nucleus, here is the nucleus. If you consider, this electron pair is distributed along the internuclear axis. Internuclear axis is nothing but a line joins the center of the two atoms. A line joining the centers of the two atoms means a line joining the nuclei of the two atoms. Right. So this is a sigma bond formed between the chlorine and chlorine. So sigma bond is nothing but a covalent bond. So Cl2 is the molecule formed here. In the same way, let us discuss about the how sp overlap takes place, and I am explaining this overlapping of sp with the help of an example, with the help of a HCl molecule formation. See how HCl is formed. As we know that hydrogen atomic number is 1, it has 1 electron in the unpaired electron in 1s, therefore it is an electron of S, therefore it has a spherical in shape. If it is a clockwise, then other atom is nothing but chlorine. You know configuration of chlorine, and the unpaired electron is of p orbital, that should be in an anti-clockwise direction. So one is clockwise, other should be anti-clockwise. They come close together and they overlap together, one s orbital and another one is a p orbital. That's why this is called as sp overlap, and a sigma bond is formed along the internuclear axis of the two nuclei, hence it is a sigma bond is formed between the chlorine and hydrogen, which is a sigma bond and single bond. So that is the way in which HCl molecule is formed. Here S and P are overlap, that's why this is called as sp overlap. Here p orbital and p orbital is overlapped together, hence it is called as a pp overlap. Here s orbital and s orbital overlapped together, spherical, therefore this is overlap. So by this way, either sp or ss or pp overlapping, the bonds are formed between the atoms. But here the condition is that while overlapping these orbitals, the unpaired electron should be in opposite spin. Thank you.